Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 2003 Hyderabad Mint 5 rupees, BU condition 100. Sant Dhaneshwar Mumbai Mint UNC 200. 25th anniversary Kolkata Mint 50 paise UNC 200. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint UNC 200. This is 84, 85, 86 set Mumbai Mint 1 rupee, 300 rupees, 100 rupees each. 93 and 94 Noida 25 paise Genda for 100 rupees set. 78 Hyderabad, 79 Hyderabad BU condition. This is for 200 set. 89 Mumbai Mint, 90 Mumbai Mint. This set is for 200. 2000 Mumbai Mint BU condition 50 rupees. 98 Mumbai BU 50 rupees. Commonwealth game Noida Mint BU 200. Commonwealth Hyderabad BU 200. Supreme Court BU Mumbai 300. Hindi Legend Nehru Mumbai UNC 100. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai UNC 300. Gandhi Kolkata UNC 300. Grow More Food UNC Kolkata 200. 83 Kolkata Fisheries BU condition 300. 98 Mumbai Fat Lion variety. This is UNC to BUNC type of condition and mild rotation also there. You can see only for 300. Tourism year Mumbai Mint BU condition 400. Nehru Hyderabad Mint BU 300. Indira Gandhi Hyderabad Mint BU 300. You can take the set for 500, otherwise 300 rupees each. If you want set, you can take for 500. Louis Bailey Mumbai Mint UNC 100. Rural Woman Hyderabad Mint BU condition 500. Rainfed Farming Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. Rainfed Farming Kolkata Mint BU condition 400. World Food Day Mumbai Mint 10 paise UNC condition 200. Plant Family Mumbai Mint BU condition 200. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint BU condition 400. Happy Child BU condition Hyderabad Mint, very scarce, almost rare type of coin. This is only for 700. Food for Future Food and Shelter Hyderabad Mint BU 500. Food and Shelter Kolkata Mint BU 300. Food and Work Kolkata Mint BU 400. Happy Child Kolkata Mint BU 200. Rural Woman Mumbai Mint BU 200. Food and Shelter Mumbai Mint BU 200. Food and Work Kolkata Mint BU 600. Rural Woman Kolkata Mint BU 200. Equality for Development Mumbai, BU 400. Equality for Development, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Rural Woman, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Quit India, Mumbai, UNC 200. Cellular Jail, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Fisheries, Hyderabad Mint, UNC 300. Save for Development, Mumbai, BU condition 700. Save for Development, Kolkata Mint, UNC 800. Fisheries, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Sant Daneshwar, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Youth Year, Mumbai Mint, BU 500. K. Kamaraj, Mumbai Mint, AUNC condition. This is a rare coin for 500. Dadabhai Naoroji, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Half rupees, Kolkata Mint, 1954, 500. Shastri, Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Very scarce coin this is. Black Beauty, Mahatma Basveshwar, Mumbai Mint, jet black, you can see, 400. Railways, Hyderabad, BU 500. ILO Noida, BU 1200. Biodiversity, Mumbai, UNC 300. Subhash Chandra Bose, Mumbai, BU 800. International Year of the Family, Mumbai, BU 400. Youth Year, Kolkata Mint, BU 500. Mother's Health, Mumbai Mint, UNC 1200. Mahatma Basveshwar, BU, this is 51 semicircle, rare, only for 1000 rupees. World Food Day, Mumbai Mint, BU 700. Water for Life, Mumbai Mint, UNC 700. Biodiversity, Hyderabad Mint, BU 1000. Quit India Movement, UNC, Kolkata Mint, 500. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Hyderabad Mint, BU, very scarce coin, 600. Some 50 paise, 67B, 200. 62B, 200. 68B, 200. 63B, 200. 67B, 300. Khadi Village, Mumbai Mint, BU, rare coin, 1700. See the clear line, clear face, everything is clear. Small Family, Hyderabad Mint, UNC 900. Quarter rupee, 1940, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 700. 25th anniversary, BU, Mumbai Mint, 2800. 44, Lahore Mint, UNC, half rupee, 1200. Half rupee, 34, Kolkata single mint coin, this is 1200. Half rupee, 33, single mint, Kolkata, 1200. हाफ रुपी 36 कलकत्ता मिंट 1100. 82 कलकत्ता मिंट BU 25 पैसे 800. तमिल कॉन्फ्रेंस 1 रुपी FSS नोएडा मिंट BU 600. कामराज हैदराबाद मिंट BU 400. FAO agriculture coin, this is 9 Noida mint UNC condition 800. Kolkata mint food for future UNC 800. Quarter rupee 1944 Lahore mint UNC 900. 1920 1 rupee UNC 2000. 1940 Mumbai mint UNC George 6th 1200. Scarce coins 1941 Mumbai mint UNC 1200. 1943 Mumbai mint UNC 1800. 43 is almost like a rare coin. 87 Mumbai mint 2000. This has a rotation also, you can see mild rotation is there. Quarter rupee 1942 Kolkata mint single mint coin 800. Quarter rupee 39 900. Half rupee 39 Kolkata mint, this is a head type second, means mature head 2000. I already explained to you mature head. 1945 Lahore mint UNC 1400. 1943 Mumbai mint large head 2000. It's a large head variety plus 43 only for 2000 head variety. Quarter rupee 1945 Mumbai mint large 5, rare in large 5. This is, you can see the large 5 here. You can see the 5 bigger than the 4. This is called large 5. This is only for 2800. $1950 Mumbai mint BU condition. These coins are not available very easily in BU condition, only for 2000. Continuous legend 1840 UNC condition 3200. Far legend 1840 UNC 2800. Pig variety 1911 Mumbai mint clear head, rare coin. See the crown clear, see the all the legends, everything clear. Pig variety, see the pig here. Only for 5600. 1898 Mumbai mint. This is a rare coin, almost like 97. It's not like a 97, but it is a rare coin. 4500. Two annas 1954 BU condition, rare coin. In this condition very difficult to get, you can see it's a BU condition, rare coin only for 4,000 rupees. See the condition. $1954, 1 rupee, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, X-rare now. Only for 6,000 rupees, less than the book price also. BU condition, Kolkata Mint, 25th week, anniversary, only for 3,000. Gandhi, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 2,800. Only 1 lakh mintage, Kolkata Mint, only 1 lakh mintage, not easily available this Gandhi in Kolkata Mint. 1911, big variety, rare coin. This is an error coin, very difficult to get error in British India. This is more than like almost 1 hour rotation is there, you can see, only for 5,600 rupees. Kolkata Mint, rare big variety. Gandhi Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 2,100. Food for Future, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 800. And I have some Bolu lion set, BU condition, C1 lion and C2 lion, only for 400. Rainfed farming, small date variety this is, and big date, this is for 800 rupees. I'm charging normal coin price. I'm not charging for any lion variety or anything, just giving it as normal price. And I have this is a graded coin, you can see, 1941, George 6th, MS60. This is a old grading of Rajgore, NGS, you can see it has a certificate also. Okay, I have one more, I'm just keeping this here. I'll show one more. This is MS60, 1944, George 6. This also old grading. This also has a certificate. And one more is there, MS63, 1942. This also has a certificate. If you want to take like any single from here, 2,000 rupees each. If you want all three, then I can give it for 5,000 rupees. All three you can take it. It's a old grading. It's not recent grading. It's a very old grading. You can see all have a certificate. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.